I'm Priya. Welcome back my channel. Hope you all are doing well guys. Guys, today's our topic is what is affiliate marketing and how this model actually works. Before I tell about affiliate marketing, I tell you one small thing. We all people use Facebook and Instagram and scrolling and waste our mostly time on these platforms. But do you actually know these platforms are money making machine for us? Yes, you heard it right. And most important is affiliate marketing grows very rapidly now these days. And there are 2.6 billion people who use Facebook daily. And there are 1 billion people who use Instagram and WhatsApp daily. And I told this because I'm doing this affiliate marketing business and I'm earning so much money from these platforms. So now it's your time to make money from these platforms. So I made this video for you. Now talk on what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, it's a very simple business concept. Now it's your work is simply promote their products. And from promotion, when someone buys the product from you, you get a commission on it. It simply says, as an affiliate, you plays a role as a middleman between the company and the customer. So why affiliate marketing so powerful? Number one, you can work from anywhere, like from your homes or with your jobs also. And number two, you can do this business through your phones also. Just use your phones. And number three, no need to build any product. Just promote the product. And now use more profit margin. And most important thing, everyone can do this. Either he or she is from any profession. Even he or she is a teacher or a student or an engineer or a doctor, even housewives and retired also. So you can also do this business. So and so and most important things here, you get daily weekly payouts directly in their bank accounts. So now affiliate marketing deals in which type of products? Affiliate marketing deals in two type of products. Number one, physical product, and number two, digital products. Physical products like mobile phone, laptops, TVs, clothes, etc. And there are so many people who affiliate these physical products on Amazon and Flipkart. But on physical products, they get very less commission, like 0.2% to 12% commission. But on digital products like course, like English speaking course, digital marketing course, like cooking course, web designing course, etc. As compared to physical products, you get huge commission on digital products because there is no transportation included in these products. So designing course, etc. As compared to physical products, you get huge commission on digital products because there is no transportation included in these products. So that's why you get huge commission on digital products. Not 10%, even not 50%. More than 50%, around 70 to 90% commission. So, if you are interested to do this business, then contact me, and I share the link below in description. And keep in mind, now these products are very much 50% discounts for only 5 days. So contact me. Hurry up guys, and thank you for watching.